Welcome to Health Avenue YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and versatile spices in the world, ginger. It has a rich history, amazing health benefits, and numerous culinary uses. So, let's take a journey through the origins, nutritional profile, health advantages, and ways you can incorporate ginger into your food and drinks. Ginger, known scientifically as Zingiber officinal, is native to Southeast Asia, where it has been cultivated for over 5,000 years. The plant belongs to the Zingiberaceae family, making it a cousin to turmeric and cardamom. Its origins trace back to ancient China, India, and Southeast Asia, where it was valued not just as a spice but also for its medicinal properties. It was spread through trade routes, eventually reaching the Middle East and Europe. In ancient Rome, ginger was a prized commodity and was even used in cooking and as a medicine. By the Middle Ages, it was a staple in European kitchens. The first recorded use of ginger as a spice dates back to around 2000 BCE, when it was documented in Chinese texts. It's fascinating to think how this humble root has traveled across centuries and cultures, continuously being cherished for its many benefits. Now that we know where ginger came from, let's look at its nutritional content. Despite its small size, ginger is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. Raw ginger contains calories, carbohydrates, fiber, proteins, fat, vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, iron, zinc, sodium, and other powerful nutrients. Check the description below for the full nutritional breakdown per 100-gram serving of raw ginger. But it's not just about the basic nutrients. Ginger is also rich in gingerol, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound, which gives ginger its distinct flavor and health benefits. Gingerol has been shown to help in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. 10 amazing health benefits of ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries for its numerous health benefits, and modern science has confirmed many of these. Let's explore 10 of the most amazing benefits. 1. Reduces nausea. Ginger is widely recognized for its ability to alleviate nausea, especially morning sickness during pregnancy and nausea caused by chemotherapy. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Thanks to gingerol, ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce joint pain and inflammation, particularly in conditions like arthritis. 3. Aids digestion. Ginger improves digestion by stimulating saliva and bile production, and can help relieve indigestion and bloating. 4. Boosts immunity. Ginger's high antioxidant content boosts the immune system and helps fight off common colds. 5. Reduces muscle pain. If you've ever had a strenuous workout, ginger can help reduce muscle soreness due to its anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Improves blood circulation. Ginger helps improve circulation, ensuring better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout your body. 7. Regulates blood sugar. Studies show that ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. 8. Promotes weight loss. Ginger can help speed up metabolism and reduce hunger, making it a great addition to weight loss programs. 9. Reduces menstrual pain. Ginger has been used traditionally to reduce menstrual discomfort, with studies supporting its effectiveness. 10. Brain function and neuroprotective effects. Some research suggests that ginger may improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Uses of ginger in foods and drinks. Ginger isn't just for health, it's a culinary delight, too. Whether fresh, powdered, or as an oil, ginger has endless uses in foods and drinks. 1. Ginger tea. One of the most popular ways to consume ginger is by making ginger tea. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for a soothing, aromatic drink that helps with digestion, nausea, and relaxation. 2. Smoothies. Adding a little ginger to smoothies gives them a zesty kick and enhances their health benefits. 3. Baked goods. Gingerbread cookies, cakes, and muffins are delicious treats that feature the warm, spicy flavor of ginger. 4. Stir fries. Ginger is a staple in Asian cuisine. It pairs perfectly with garlic, soy sauce, and vegetables for an aromatic stir fry. 5. Soups. Ginger adds depth to soups, especially those with ingredients like carrots, sweet potatoes, and coconut milk. 6. Curries. Indian and Thai curries often include ginger to enhance their flavors and add a hint of spiciness. 7. Pickles. In many cultures, ginger is pickled and used as a tangy side dish or condiment. 8. Smoothie bowls. Add ginger to fruit smoothie bowls for a spicy, invigorating flavor. 9. Ginger ale. A refreshing, fizzy drink made with ginger extract, lemon, and soda water. It's not just tasty but also good for settling the stomach. 10. Candied ginger. A sweet, chewy snack made by boiling ginger in sugar syrup and then drying it. It's a delicious way to enjoy ginger's benefits. So, there you have it, ginger's rich history, its powerful nutritional profile, incredible health benefits, and its endless culinary uses. Whether you use it for its health benefits or as a zesty addition to your favorite recipes, ginger is truly a superfood that has stood the test of time. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the foods we love.